So I can graph this if I want to, but I'm just going to go off of the formula. When I look at the limit as x approaches 3 from the left of f of x, what that's saying is I'm coming up on x equals 3, but I'm coming up on it from numbers that are smaller than 3. So I can think of this as approaching x3 minus something. Well, for that part of the graph, -3 plus x, sorry, for that part of the graph, -3 plus x controls everything where x is less than 3. So I can just plug in for that part, -3 plus 3, and I get 0. Now again, you could use a graph, but you can reason through this with the formulas as well. So I'm going to type in 0 here. When I want to look at the other side of the limit, I'm going to look at x greater than or equal to 3. And for all of this part, 3 minus x controls things. So on this side, if I'm looking at the limit as x approaches 3 from above of f of x, well, when I'm above 3, everything in here is determined by 3 minus x. So now if I plug in 3 minus 3, I also get 0. Now for the final question, what is f of 3? F of 3 is what happens when x is actually equal to 3. I can evaluate this now. When x is equal to 3, I'm using 3 minus x. F of 3 equals 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So f of 3 is equal to 0. Is the function f continuous at 3? The answer is yes. Regardless of which definition of continuity you like, think about this.